we just replaced that little clip. Amazon sells that clip for two for like 20 bucks. So we'll order a new one. This is the junk one. Teeth are all stripped. You can see here. That's why it wasn't engaging anymore. So it is junk. And our plow truck is ready to go. And we wait for stuff to fall off on this truck, then we repair it. AKA, plow truck, really rusty. Anyway, so to conclude, yes, you can take this cable out with a screwdriver and a pair of vice grips. Is this the correct way of doing this? Nope. Will it bite me in the ass some point this winter? Maybe. Are we gonna fix it properly? Nope. Are we gonna do a video when it breaks? Yep. Anywho, have a good day.